Hi, my name is Ansley and I'm going to help you go through problem 44. So, in order to find the midpoint, you have points P and S, but you're going to need to look for Q. In order to find Q, though, you need to find the midpoint of R. So, the midpoint formula is x1 plus xy divided by 2, or x2, comma, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So this is going to give your x for the midpoint, and this is going to give you the y. So, to solve for r, the coordinates for P are 8, 10, and the coordinates for S are 12, -6. So we're going to plug this into our formula. So you're going to have 8 plus 12, because that's your x, divided by 2, and that's going to give you 10. So we have our x for r. That's our x. And then, in order to find our y, and you come over here, and your formula for y is 12. No, I'm sorry. It's 10 plus -6 divided by 2, which will give you 2. So, heading back to the midpoint for r is going to be 10, 2. So now that we have our midpoint for r, we're going to head back over here. And so let's plug in some of these numbers. 8, 10, 12, -6. And now we have r, which is 10 and 2. So now that we have r and s, now we can solve for q. So we're going to head back over here. And now for r was 10, 2, and s is still 12, -6. So now we get to plug these into our formula again. So we have 10 plus 12 over 2, and this is going to give us our x, and this equals 11. So now that we have this, I'm going to go ahead and plug this in. X is 11. So then let's do 2 plus -6 divided by 12, and this is going to give you -2. So for q, we have 11, -2. So, like that in here. I messed that up. Oops. So we have 11, -2. And you did this right because our answer choice is C.